why you feel worse in the morning. Now, the way your nervous system works is there's two different sides, right? You have the sympathetic nervous system, and then you also have the parasympathetic nervous system. Now, when you're sleeping, to a normal person, they are in parasympathetic mode. And then once they wake up, once they're able to move around, they're more so in sympathetic mode. Now, when you have a hypersensitive nervous system, a lot of times your body has trouble switching back and forth between those modes, which is why when you walk around, when you do certain things, your nervous system gets really amped up. It's very easy for it to go into complete sympathetic mode. Now, also when you're sleeping, when your body is making the transition going from parasympathetic mode to being functional, sympathetic, that transition is very rough, right? It's almost like trying to drive a manual car when you don't know how to drive a manual car. It's going to be really jerky. It's going to be very rough. And that's kind of what it's like when you have CFS and you're trying to wake up in the morning. It takes a little bit of time for your body to kind of get up to speed and get warmed up, right? So the transition from parasympathetic mode to sympathetic mode and the difficulty of that transition is why your mornings can be very rough. And it may take you a few hours to even several hours to start feeling somewhat like yourself again and feeling like your brain is awake.